Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate map in Google Maps on PC. So I will be teaching you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys, and if you have any query just let me know in the comment section down below. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps, and you can see here there is no any rotate button or anything like this, or even the compass is not there. So what you can do is, or else go to satellite view or the normal view. You won't find the compass button. So what you can do is just go to this layer option on bottom, and then go to more and scroll all the way down. Here you'll find this glow view option. Just tick it, and it will be ticked like this. And now then go back, and now what you need to do is let's go back, and then just go to your satellite view. Now you'll find this compass button on your right corner, and just you can rotate from here like this. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.